In 2026, analytics will no longer be about dashboards. It will be about decisions made before you even ask the question. Today, analysts spend hours cleaning data, building reports, and explaining insights. In 2026, machine learning will handle most of that automatically. Instead of asking what happened, analytics will answer what's about to happen next. Machine learning models will continuously learn from live data, detecting patterns, predicting outcomes, and flagging risks in real time. Sales teams won't wait for monthly reports. ML will predict which customers are likely to buy or leave today. Finance teams won't just track expenses. ML will forecast cash flow, prevent fraud, and recommend smarter budgets. In healthcare, analytics won't stop at reports. Machine learning will predict diseases early and personalize treatments. And here's the biggest shift: analytics will become conversational. You won't write complex queries anymore. You'll simply ask, why did revenue drop yesterday? And machine learning will explain it in plain language. But this doesn't mean analysts will disappear. In 2026, analysts will shift from data crunchers to decision strategists. Less time on manual work, more time on impact. The future of analytics isn't about more data. It's about smarter intelligence. And machine learning is the engine driving it. The question is not if analytics will change, it's whether you're ready for it.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in next video.